As kommersiële bestuurder van Berg is ek baie trots op ons span en dit wat ons die afgelope paar jaar bereik het, veral nou die laaste 18 maande waar Berg Suid-Afrika dan ook vir Monsanto Suid-Afrika oorgeneem het. Ons doel is om vir die boere te wys die unieke en uitstekende produkte wat ons beskikbaar het. Omdat ons nie die geleentheid wou laat verlore gaan nie, het ons dan besluit om op 'n virtuele manier ons boodskap oor te dra. Die laaste 2 weke is ons dan besig om verskeie opnames te doen oor ons dekelbusters asook die ondersteunende gewasbeskermingsprodukte. En natuurlik is Berg 'n maatskappy wat ons boere wil ondersteun. Ons weet dat boerdery jou passie is en ons wil saam met jou daar betrokke wees om verder suksesvol te wees.
Welcome to southern KwaZulu-Natal, just outside of Underberg. We're creating a series of short videos to help to introduce you to Berg's crop science product portfolio across the ranges from our crop protection, dekelp seed, as well as climate field view. These videos are aimed specifically at farmers in KwaZulu-Natal, and we trust that you're going to find them useful and informative. Do however reach out to your closest Berg or dekelp representative should you require any additional information. Berg in South Africa currently offers 2 biotechnology traits available to maize farmers. The first one is Roundup Ready technology. This allows the farmer to spray Roundup or glyphosate over the top of the maize crop to control weeds. The second technology is the BT or Yield Guard technology. This technology provides the maize plant with built-in protection against specific insects. In South Africa, we mainly target African stalk borer with the Yield Guard technology, while the Yield Guard 2 technology, the newer version of the technology, also provides us with protection against fall armyworm. When making use of the BT or Yield Guard technology, it's very important to make sure that refuge areas are planted. In South Africa, we have a recommendation of a structured refuge, which means that there must be an area in the field planted that does not contain the BT technology. 2 options is available. Firstly, there's a 5% option where no chemical control of target pests in the refuge is allowed. The second option is a 20% refuge where chemical control of the target pest in the refuge area is allowed. Let's look at some of the basic requirements for planting a refuge area. Firstly, it's very important to note that every farmer must plant his own refuge. You're not allowed to use one of your neighbor's fields as refuge for your own maize. A second very important thing is that the refuge hybrid that's being used must be of a similar growth stage and maturity class as the Yield Guard hybrid. Another important point is that the Yield Guard maize and the refuge maize cannot be mixed at all. It's very important to keep it structured in the sense that there must be at least 6 rows at a time planted with the non-BT hybrid. Another important thing to take into consideration is that a BT plant is not supposed to be further away than 400 meters from the closest non-BT plant. It's very important that every grower and farmer monitors his Yield Guard fields. If you suspect any damage in your crop caused by target organisms, please contact your seed representative immediately. More details on how to plant a proper refuge area is available in our product guides, and it's also stipulated in the technology agreement that you sign with every seed order. Yield Guard is an incredibly powerful tool in the farmer's toolbox against environmental pests. Our best chance to prolong the lifespan of this technology is to plant proper refuge areas according to regulations and stipulations. Please help us to protect this technology for you to use for many years to come.